In this video, I'm going to show you how to export bookmarks from Chrome. So the first thing to do is come to this top right corner, click on these three dots here and scroll down. Just hover your mouse over bookmarks and lists. Come down here, click on open bookmark manager. As you can see, there are two main folders here. This is bookmarks bar. This is other bookmarks. Now the difference here is that for this bookmarks bar here, there are actually pages you want to quickly access, and usually you see them beneath the search bar here. As you can see, this is global scholarships, and here this is global scholarships. Now there's other bookmarks here also inside this folder. Look at it, other bookmarks. I have some other pages here. Usually if you want to find this, it's here. You click on at the top right corner, you click on all bookmarks here and you find everything here. You can just click it from here. Now back to how to export your bookmark. What you want to do is here at the top right corner, look at this three dot button, click on it here, scroll down and click on export bookmarks. Once you click on that, your file explorer will open and then you can choose the folder you want to save it in. So for me, I'll just go to downloads. Inside of download, I have this here. So I'm just going to save this now. I have one bookmark here already, so I'm just going to save this. Let me call this new just to differentiate. So I'm going to save it now. Now to access it, I'll just have to come to here. So this is my file explorer. I have new here. I can just right click, then point to open with. Then I can open with any browser of my choice. I could open with Chrome. Let me click on Chrome and open with Chrome. Here, as you can see, here are the links. This is the global scholarships and every other link in my bookmarks. So that is how to export your bookmark. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you and see you in the next one.